As a water treatment specialist, you will conduct water testing as part of a water reconnaissance to ensure water meets TB Med 577 standards. In many operating environments, the enemy uses ricin and other chemical and biological contaminants to degrade our warfighters' capability to continue in the fight. The M329 CBR, which stands for Chemical, Biological, and Radiological Agents Water Testing Detector Kit, is a single-operated portable kit for detecting and identifying biological agents and detecting and quantifying the presence of radiological contamination in the water. In this lesson, you will learn how to detect biological contaminants in a provided water sample using the M329 test kit. As you will recall, your kit contains the following items that you will need for this biological detection test, including sample collection containers, pipettes used to transfer small amounts of liquid, and handheld assays, or HHAs. These components are contained in a carrying case for protection from the elements, easy portability, and storage. If possible, set yourself up in a well-lit work area that is shielded from wind and rain. The biological detection component of the CBR agent's water testing detector kit is the HHA. Each HHA contains an immunoassay ticket that consists of three important functional areas. The control area, designated by the letter C. The detection area, designated by the letters R and S, and the sample well. Each HHA provides the field capability to test for two biological agents, ricin and SEB, in the water. Several drops of a water sample are dispensed into the oval-shaped sample well on the ticket. The water then flows up the paper strip inside the ticket. A line should form at the control area, indicating the ticket functioned correctly, and lines may or may not form in the detection area depending on whether an agent has been detected or not. After 15 minutes, the results are interpreted by observing both the control and detection areas and referring to the interpreting HHA results table. In this video, you will see the equipment set up and prepared and watch a biological detection test performed. To begin, you will need to don your personal protection equipment. This gear consists of the following: utility apron, protective gloves, and a face shield or goggles. You are responsible for making proper preparations for your personal safety and the safety of your fellow troops. Be sure to refer to this chart from TB Med 577, Table 4-7. It tells you the frequency of chemical warfare agents and radioactivity testing of source water by water purification personnel, according to threat and MOP level. There may be times when you have to conduct this in a certain MOP posture. Your first step now is to ensure that your HHA is usable. Check the temperature indicator on the outside of the bag that contains the individual HHA packages. If a donut-shaped circle is revealed, you may continue your inspection. However, if a filled-in circle is revealed, the assays have been exposed to extreme temperatures and are unusable, in which case you will perform the following disposal process for the unusable assays. You will remove outside bag. Remove the packaging from the individual assays. You will then need to dispose of the assays in accordance with your unit's standard operating procedures. Obtain a new bag of assays and repeat your inspection until you have a usable bag of assays. Now that you have a usable bag of assays, You must still verify that the individual assays have not expired. Open the bag and remove one HHA package. Check individual assay packaging for damage, like a tear in the packaging. Look at the date to verify that the assay has not expired. The assays are usable for 12 months if stored at room temperature, and up to 36 months if refrigerated. A quick note before you begin your biological test. The HHA consists of 3 important functional areas. The control area is designated by the letter C for control. The detection area is designated by the letters R for ricin and S for staphylococcal enterotoxin B, or SEB. And the sample well is the depression at the bottom of the HHA. Each HHA ticket provides the field capability to test for 2 biological agents, ricin and SEB in water. Good job, water dogs. Now you are ready to test the provided sample. Tear open the assay packaging and remove the assay. Place the assay on a flat surface. Using a pipette, squeeze one end while inserting the other into the water. Release pressure on your end to draw water up into the pipette. Now dispense 3 to 4 drops of the water sample into the oval-shaped sample well on the HHA by holding the end of the pipette over the sample well of the HHA and then squeezing slightly on your end again. The water then flows up the paper strip inside the ticket. Within 5 minutes, a line should form at the control area, indicating the ticket functioned correctly. If no line appears in the control area within 5 minutes, then destroy the used assay according to proper destruction procedures and retest the water sample using a new assay. After 15 minutes, contamination results are interpreted by observing both the control and the detection areas. Lines may or may not form in the detection area depending on whether an agent has been detected or not. After 15 minutes have passed, you may refer to Table 1, interpreting HHA results found in your TM on biological detection results for an interpretation. Click on the video pause button here if you would like to review the table. Now that you have completed the test for biological contamination, you must now determine which method to use for cleanup of your equipment. If your test results were negative for ricin and SEB, the uncontaminated sample collection bottles may be cleaned with soap and hot water, rinsed and reused. Likewise, your used uncontaminated HHAs may be destroyed by the most readily accessible method: burn, boil, or immerse in bleach. If immersion in bleach is the method to be used, then perform the following procedures. First, soak all assays in household bleach, 5% chlorine solution, for 30 minutes. Second, dispose of the HHA in accordance with standard operating procedures. Wipe down the exterior surface of the M329 case using the M295 Individual Equipment Decontamination Kit. However, if your test results were positive for ricin or SEB, then the biologically contaminated sample collection bottles and pipettes must be decontaminated in accordance with FM 3-11.5 and disposed of as medical waste in accordance with standard operating procedures. Always follow standard operating procedures for safe handling, carrying, and/or shipping of biologically contaminated samples. Water Dogs, congratulations on completing this mission. You have now successfully set up your M329 kit for biological testing, applied a water sample to the sample well of the HHA, analyzed the results on the HHA ticket. Well done. By successfully identifying biological contaminants, you are ensuring the operability and health of your fellow troops. The skills you have learned is invaluable, and you will repeat this often as a water treatment specialist.